Hello friends, myself Harsh. Welcome to Abul Kids. Friends, if we observe carefully, we will find that everything in the universe is in motion. However, different objects move differently. Some objects move along a straight line, some move in a curved path, and some move in other way. In other words, motion can be defined as a movement or change in the position of an object. Each type of motion is controlled by a different types of force. There are three basic types of motion: translational, rotational, and random. So let's first start with the translational motion. In translational motion, a body moves along a line without any rotation. The line may be straight or curved. Watch how various objects are moving. Do they move along a straight line or do they move along a circle? Let's see in detail. So, the translational motion is further classified into two parts. First is rectilinear motion. When an object in translational motion moves in a straight line, it is said to be in rectilinear motion. For example, a car moving on a straight road or the soldiers marching. For example, let us see this car. When I release this car, it moves in a straight line. It is said that the car is in rectilinear motion. Curvilinear motion. When an object in translational motion moves in a curvy path, it is said to be in curvilinear motion. Example of curvilinear motion are a car taking a turn or motion of the moon around the earth is an example of curvilinear motion. Now let us see what is rotation. Rotation means motion around a fixed axis. An axis is a center around which something rotates. Example of rotational motion are blades of the fan, merry-go-round, or spinning of the earth around its own axis. Let us consider this ball as the earth. As the earth rotates around its own axis, like this ball is spinning around its axis. This kind of motion is called as rotational motion. Now, random motion. It is a motion in which there is no specific pattern for the movement. For example, a flying bee or a butterfly. They do not move in a particular pattern, so they are said to be in a random motion. Another type of motion is periodic motion. The type of motion that repeats itself after equal intervals of time is called as periodic motion. For example, the motion of a pendulum. Let's see how. Observe the motion of the pendulum. The pendulum is moving both the sides after equal interval of time. So this kind of motion is called as periodic motion. Have you ever kicked a football on the ground and observed this motion? If you observe carefully, the football moves in a straight path and also it rotates around its own axis. Like this. Consider this as a football. If I kick this, it moves in a straight line as well as it rotates around itself. That means the football is in rectilinear motion and also in rotational motion. Such a combination of motion is called rolling motion. Can you think of any other object which undergoes rolling motion? That's right, the wheels of a bicycle or any other vehicle moving in a forward or backward direction are said to be in rolling motion. Thanks for watching. I hope this was a quick and crisp information about motion, its type and how they work. For more such videos, please subscribe to Owl Kids and ring the bell icon for our new uploads. Till then, happy learning. See you next time. Bye.